Yan, so good morning everyone. Ayan, so ito po yung ating Nova Lucia, and so far we have 1,078 points. Okay, so we will going to buy food. Okay, so using the voucher provided and gave by Nova Lucia. Okay, so ang kukunin nating points dito ay itong 500 points. Okay, so ito yung ating i-redeem. Okay, 500 points. So redeem now. Okay, yung 500 voucher successful. Okay, and then yan, ang gagawin natin, completed, kopyahin natin itong, okay, copy, and then we will paste it sa Chrome. Okay, and then allow, so it will redirect to Grab. Okay, thank you for using gift. Here's a 500 gift voucher, and then let's grab food, no? Okay, continue, and then choose you'd like to break down your 500. Okay, so itong 500 na bilhin natin. Okay, spread the love, view my rewards, and then use now. Okay, so try it now.
Meron na to.
Huwag mong kukunin yun, naman ang barya-barya ko.
Dito lang, dito ka.
Parang yun, kukunti na nga ng pera ko dun.
Ay, dila ba kayo sa album?
Oo.
Raktaran.
Okay, so Lugaw Republic. Okay, Lugaw Daddy. Dati classic Lugaw. Dati
Pakman tayo.
Ha?
Isang man lang, isang baray lang. Ano,
Lugaw Overload.
ano mo gawin?
Andre. Nah. Benci lang. Sige sa tamot. Sige sa tamot.
Turun pala yun.
Tingnan mo surf ka, Ben. Walang surf. Ariel, ang meron.
Yan.
Dre,